Assalamu alaikum everyone. I would like to share some thoughts with you on how to fast when you can't really fast. So I have a health situation due to which my medical specialist, who I trust and who incidentally happens to be Muslim, has said that I should not be fasting in Ramadan, especially during some of the longer days in the summer. So every Ramadan, there are many people in our communities who are unable to fast for different reasons. And of course, while our intention is certainly always to seek the closeness to Allah and His pleasure by performing any of these acts of worship, there is an aspect of socialization to fasting in Ramadan. After all, everyone's doing it. And anyone who's not doing it can feel like they are missing out, that they're not getting the full or the real experience of Ramadan. So there are so many different situations to which this applies that I'll only mention a few general things that I think are important to keep in mind. So first of all, the leniency which exempts us from fasting in certain situations in Ramadan is part of the beauty and balance of our religion, and we should recognize it as a gift from Allah. In fact, when these exceptions are mentioned in the Quran, Allah says that Allah intends for you ease and does not intend for you hardship. So we should never feel ashamed or deprived or guilty about this fact that we cannot fast, because it is a gift from Allah Himself, and we should embrace it and make the best of it in every situation. The second thing to keep in mind is that fasting is a means to an end and not an end in itself. The purpose here is for us to develop our taqwa or God consciousness and our access and practice of Allah's guidance. And Allah has diversified the ways in which we can do this. So there are the nightly prayers, giving sadaqah or charity, seeking knowledge, being friendly and kind to our neighbors. And even within fasting itself, Allah has diversified that aspect. So there is the fasting of the heart and of the eyes and of the ears and of the tongue, etc. So where one door may be closed for us, we should recognize and appreciate the many doors that are always open for us to really fulfill the purpose of Ramadan in our lives. And the last thing I would say to keep in mind is just to always yearn, keep that yearning alive, keep that sincerity and devotion alive, and sincerely continue to ask Allah to give you the opportunity to seek His pleasure by fasting. So definitely keep all of these things in mind. And again, the leniency is a gift from Allah that we should appreciate. And I hope you have a very fulfilling, enriching Ramadan, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.